Welcome back. Now we're gonna make our first proof, and to do our proof we have to formalize the sentence or the formula or the situation that we're gonna prove. So we have to define first the goal for Isabelle to understand what we're gonna prove, and then we go through or we go with the natural deduction rules to prove our lemma or our goal. We can write the goal using the lemma directive. And then we have to define our lemma. We can give the lemma name or we cannot give a name, it's optional. If we give the lemma a name, we can use it later. If we don't give it a name, we will not be able to use it later as a proved lemma. So we are not gonna give our lemma a name. And then we have to start writing the set of premises and the goal. We can use the panel here to formalize our sentences, or we can use the abbreviations that Isabelle provides. So if I'm gonna write the set of premises, I have to define them between the fat brackets. We can find them in the which one? This one, the punctuations. This is the fat bracket, so I'm right this one. Let's start with if we have A and B. And when we say A and B, we have to write a semicolon A and B, and then we have to close the fat brackets. Either I do it from here, or I can write the abbreviation. It's just like an O and a square bracket. And then we have to tell it that this will, if we have A and B, then we can have A and B. So we write it like that. Then we can have A, and then we are gonna write and we can write it into different ways. The first way is and, like this, and it will give me an intelligence asking me, do you mean that it's an and symbol? I can press the tab button and it will give it, and it will turn into an and operator, and I can then write the B. And as we can see now, Isabelle understands my lemma. Another way I can write the AND operator by this. I can enter a backslash and then write and it will be turned into an AND operator again. Now we have to start doing our proof. To do our proofs, we use the apply command, and then we have to write the name of the rule. So I'm gonna apply a rule, and as we know in Isabelle, we can do proofs in either ways, a backward reasoning or a forward reasoning. I'm gonna use the backward reasoning. So we have to look here at our goal. It says A and B. So this is a result of an AND introduction or a conjunction introduction. So I'm gonna write introduction, and I'm gonna close the braces. And as we can see now, the goal, after I declared my lemma, we had only one sub goal. It says if we have A and we have B, we can have A and B. After I wrote apply rule conjunction introduction, it gave me two sub goals. It split the main sub goal into two sub goals. The first one, if we have A and B, we can have A, and if we have A and B, then we can have B. And this is obvious, so I'm gonna apply the assumption. And when I only write ASS or a part of the word, it will give me an intelligence that I can select from. I'm gonna write apply assumption. This is the first assumption, and of course we can apply another assumption. Now we have no subgoals and we're finished with our proof. To tell Isabelle that we finished this proof, we have to write done. So now Isabelle knows that the proof is finished and we have our lemma proved here. Hope you find it easy and to be able to prove more next time. See you next time. Bye.